disturbing this culture. The fact of the matter is that in this meeting there will be people, important Congress leader coming from Assam Pradesh Congress Committee, also from EICC, the North Eastern Cells and other leaders. So that's why we were looking for somewhere a big hall where 1,000 or 1,200 people could be accommodated. And it was very beautiful room and SC, and since it is a cultural complex, there are so many things we could see. Now what is there in Kokrajhar? Nothing. Now the matter is that since we have no place, and also this is a season of rain and the wind, anytime no guarantee. That's why this is the only place, secure place, and large people could be accommodated. That's why we are asking the permission, but Mr. Pramod Boro has denied. Now, there is no reason, no good reason from Pramod Boro of denial to conduct the meeting for Congress. And the simple reason is that maybe we have even asked them, we are paying you 32,000 as per the rate. And this could be a good amount of revenue for BTC. And Mr. Pramod Boro has said, no, I don't need your revenue. We don't allow Congress to conduct any kind of meeting here in the cultural complex. Sometime before, not even 1 month has been passed, Assam Gana Parishad, they have come and conducted the meeting. BJP and BPF and all the political party could conduct. But Pramod Boro, UPPL would not allow this hall for Congress to conduct a meeting. Now this is a surprise. Why is Pramod Boro so a pride of Congress? Why is Pramod Boro being so childish? All the BTC, people of BTC have the right to conduct here, since there is no other program. So I think it really embarrasses us. And as you have asked, why are you going to conduct now? We are not going to give up. These days, the weather is not at all good. We cannot conduct the meeting in the open place. Since there is no meeting here, we need that. So Mr. Pramod Boro has to reconsider his denial of approval. Thank you.
Yes, sir, you are not granted by the BTR government to conduct a meeting in the cultural complex. And where did you choose the last meeting?
No, as I told you, Pramod Boro has to arrange another place. We have applied for the permission, and Pramod Boro has denied. Now this is a huge important meeting. The people from Delhi will come, MPs and MLAs would come, and we need somewhere a good place. So that's why we are asking that we are not going to give up. Mr. Pramod Boro has to reconsider, or otherwise he has to give up the assembly. We will conduct the meeting. Because this is not Pramod Boro's property. Thank you.